sure to like the video. For more amazing content. Oh yeah, and subscribe. Bye. My brain.
I wonder what Aubrey feels like doing today. You want to cook something? That sounds really fun. What? Aubrey, what do you want to cook? You got a cookbook that we can look? Oh, you already have one here?
Let's
What?
make a
What's
pizza.
this? A pizza? Oh well, we can't really make a pizza. But hold on, let's see. Let's cook together. Oh, is this the one you saw? This little kid cooking a pizza? Let's see. We can probably use one of these.
Make pizza.
Yeah. Put our flatbread now. I think if we use this side. No, we'll use this side, okay? Alright, let's go in the fridge.
Some tomato sauce.
We do have pizza sauce. And we have these
I want pepperoni pizza.
pepperonis, and we gotta find some cheese. We can shred it up ourselves. Oh wait.
Pizza with you, Daddy.
Say that again. What?
This is my first thing I've got to make a pizza with you, Daddy.
Oh. Well, I'm glad to share this experience with you, Aubrey. It should be fun. All right, so let's see here. We got the cheese. We got the pepperonis. And we got the Parmesan cheese. So now we're gonna need to get a spoon to put the sauce on the pizza, and then we're gonna have to shred the cheese and then put the pepperonis on top. Let's sweet. Oh, handy dandy spoon. That open. So we're gonna get a spoonful of sauce and put it in the middle.
Dripped a little.
There you go.
That's a bunch.
All right. Now you're gonna have to round. You have to. Yep.
Spread it with a spoon.
Even more. You may not have enough.
I think I need a little more.
Okay. While you're doing that, I'm gonna find the cheese grater so we can grate the cheese to put on our pizza.
Watching me putting the sauce on.
Yep.
Where are
You
pepper?
just set it to the side for now. We'll put it in the sink in a second. All right. I hope you got the pizza all nice and mozzarella-y. I mean,
And saucy.
All right, we're gonna put the rest on here. Now I'm gonna hold this here, and you just gotta. You want to hold the grater, and you want to hold the grater or the cheese? Which one?
Grater.
Oh look, I got magical hands. Alright, so we're gonna grate the cheese like this, like so. Should be about 3. That's good enough. Alright, need more cheese in there.
He's from the grater. What's the last ingredient?
Pepperoni. And you can put as many as you want on there.
There's that too.
1. You're gonna make a circle. All right. Now we're gonna put this in the oven. A little bit more Parmesan cheese on top, just for good measure, to make it look all oozy and cheesy.
And you won't be able to see the pepperonis a little bit.
Right. And then we're gonna put it on. I'm gonna put it on this there. My magical hands. And then come over here to our. We gotta do
We're
5th.
gonna cook it.
Yep.
Plus pizza.
And we'll be back when it's done. 7 minutes. Has it been enough time yet?
Dad, let's go take the pizza.
Let's go check the pizza. How many minutes we put it for? Do you remember? I think it was 6 or 7. 10. That's too many. Oh, look at it. Look at it.
It's going up and popping down.
Yeah, it looks really good. Are you ready to eat it? Does it look yummy?
Yeah.
You have to let it cool down first though, right? You don't want it to burn you.
Yeah.
What you say?
It was going up again.
Oh, the cheese is oozing. So bubbly, yummy, delicious. Looks like a professional cooker. Because it is a professional. Aubrey's kitchen. My friend Aubrey's kitchen. Yeah. Alright, let's get that thing out of there.
It's hot, so you guys, so it's hot. So my dad's gonna get it out.
Hot, 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 hot. Woo! Got it out. We're gonna put it right here. Put it to the
Look
side.
at it.
Let it cool down.
It's very cool.
Yeah?
It's bubbling, bubbling, and bubbling.
We're gonna put it on the stove here.
Big pizza cutter.
Dun 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 dun.
Pizza cutter, Daddy.
You should never use the pizza cutter without adult supervision. This is really sharp.
Yeah, so only grown-ups can
Only
do it.
grown-ups. You ready?
Yeah.
That's how you do it. You go. Woo. Woo. And then you're done. And the pizza is cut. Nice and perfect.
Okay.
All right. Ready to take a bite?
Yeah.
Let's see how your pizza came out. It's really cheesy. Oh my gosh, look how long that cheese is. I'm gonna take me a bite too. Oh yeah. It was good.
It's very good. Cheese. We put too much cheese on there.
Yeah, it made it
is stretchy.
Made it super cheesy. Yeah. Alright, until next time.
Bye, boys and girls.
Happy eating. Enjoy the pizza.
Busy for you.